Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful Christmas tree using a Christmas tree from the dollar store. I paid $1.99 for this tree. We're gonna use some spray paint, white spray paint. We're gonna use some snow, Santa snow from Walmart, and we're gonna use bucket, floral foam, moss, some kind of ribbon, and our glue gun with extra glue stick. I use Gorilla Glue because it's best for this type of jobs. First thing we're gonna do is take our tree from the package, and we're gonna try to take this off the tree, and we're gonna fluff this tree off. And now that we have it all fluffed, we're gonna proceed to spray paint a little light coat of our spray paint, and after that some Santa snow. I'm gonna let someone do this for me because I've been kind of sick all of the October month and part of September, so someone's gonna do this job for me. Light coat of spray paint all around, and after that you're gonna take your Santa snow. You're gonna give it a coat from far, and then you're gonna press on the tips of your tree. Now, while our black tree dries, we're gonna start working on the base. We're gonna get this here, and for that, what we're gonna do is just push our foam so it gets in. This is how our beautiful tree turned out, all flocked and beautiful. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna push, get some hot glue here, and we're gonna push this on the center of our foam with the most beautiful part of our tree showing, and just push it in until we cannot see any more of the metal that has it on the down part. Okay, this is how it's looking. Okay, now what we need is our moss, and we're gonna hot glue some moss around the foam so the foam doesn't show. Being careful because our tree is not fully dry. Now that we have the bottom of our tree completely done, it looks like this. And now we're gonna work on the bow for the top part. For that, we're gonna use this beautiful ribbon, and we're gonna make a bow with long legs. Here we call it the legs, so with long legs that cover the sides of our tree. I'm not a bow maker, so if you see an odd way of making a bow and me using hot glue, that's why. just like that, we have our bowl. Now I'm gonna get this bowl to our tree. Okay, let me center our tree so we can have it in the center. And I'm gonna tie our bowl on the back part, just like this. And making another tiny bowl in the back part with this. Okay. And now we have it. Let me show you how it turned out. And this is how our planted flocked tree turned out. As you can see, this is our bucket with our moss, our beautiful flocked tree, our bowl. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye.